So I worked in some company. Forget about all the things. Just let me consider my example only. Wonderful example. Legend. Wonderful. My own example. In my company, I was there in I was there in some okay. My role is WebLogic admin at that time. If any application expert approaches my lead, any person is going to approach my lead. He's always going to use the word, Durga, can you please look into this? Durga, can you please look into this? Like that. Then I have the bigger question about my lead. Array, what he's doing? Huh? Just he won't ask at least what is the problem? What is the problem this person is facing? Just he's going to just turn his head, just beside his desk only, my desk will be there. Durga, can you please look into that? Do you know? Almost all the work I only do on into evening. I will do that. And then at last he's going to ask Durga, don't reply to that mail directly. Once you got completed, please let me know. I will reply to that mail. Okay, that is a official lead level, manager level politics kind of thing. This is the thing which is happened. Next, do you know, he won't do anything. He will open inadu.net, he will open some websites and so on. But here the thing is, I'm responsible to do everything. Then what happened is, with my colleagues, if anywhere in my discussions, I'm always using the word, Hare, my lead is the very worst person. He's a burden to the company. He's a burden to the company. Waste. Won't do anything. The total work we are doing like anywhere I'm getting the chance, I'm always blaming that person. Believe me. First year got completed. First year appraisals are going to come. Hikes are going to come. All the remaining people got 10%, 15% hike. But I got only 2% hike. Second year also same. Third year also same. The people who joined with me parallelly, their salary got raised like anything. My salary is the 2 worst. Array, when compared with them, I'm doing very well. Very well. But where is the problem? Like, so in IBM, we have Brevo Awards. Whenever my manager, account manager is going to come and is going to announce the names Brevo Awards, I'm always getting the feeling that my name will be there like that. My name never be there. Then what I did is, I took 2 days or 3 days leave. And then I went to Indira Park. This was happened almost 2008 to 2009, something like that. Then, I'm doing full work, but I'm not in a position to get good salary, not in a position to get any Brevo awards, these kind of things. Is the problem with me or is the problem with my team or my lead? Like I check. Then I analyze that I'm doing the work, but I'm not in a position to communicate properly. I'm always seeing my superiors as my enemies. My lead as my biggest enemy. But without my lead, I won't get the hike, I won't get promotion because he is the responsible to give the reference. I don't know. I didn't observe that. Then 3 days I took the leave. I changed myself. And then I came back. Just that day onwards, I started mingling with my lead like anything. Instead of waiting until he's giving the work, yeah. So, do you have any work? Please let me know. I'm completely vacant. Okay, like talking with that person happily. Shall we go for cafeteria like that? So, even outside meeting that person and so on. Believe me, next year, Bravo Awards, the first name is my name only. The first name is my name only. Next, all the remaining people got 2%, 3% hike. The person who got 30% hike is me only. Where is the difference? Your technical skills or your people management skills?
People management.
Have you observed, right? That realization, what happened just in that Indra Park for 3 days. Every day morning I'm going analyzing. Each and every incident I analyze. Where is the problem? Where is the problem? What is about what is about, in my lead mind, what is the impression he has about me? Okay, like even I analyzed all aspects that at last I decided this is not correct way. The problem is not with my lead, the problem is with me only. I'm not in a position to communicate properly, to cooperate properly, to mingle properly. Like I started changing myself. Then obviously, the first person, the first name in the Bravo list is my name. So people management skill is that much important.